Every image you've already made is one click away from moving. Use as start frame sends it straight to the video tab, already attached. No exporting, no re-uploading. And now the job changes. You're not describing the scene anymore. The scene is the picture. The prompt only has to describe the motion. The aspect chips step aside too. With a frame attached, your clip inherits the shape of the image. So write verbs, not nouns. What moves, what the light does, where the camera goes. Some models take an end frame as well. Give it the shot you want to finish on, and the model travels between the two. 4 seconds at 720 is 40 cents. And as always, the button tells you before you spend it. Then, let it run. It keeps your framing and moves the world instead. The same coastline, a few minutes later in the day. That's a still photograph turned into a shot. Next up, casting people and products into a scene with reference images.